What? Why are you laughing at me? Because I bought a ridiculous amount of snacks while we were in Japan.
Yeah.
Wait, not just snacks, but KitKats.
Snacks.
So, if you don't know this yet, Japan is famous for KitKats. So, there are crazy KitKat flavors in Japan that we cannot get over here in the US. So, we went to...
It might not be a bad thing.
Well,
when you see what these flavors are.
We'll have to see once we do the taste test.
All right.
But let's go ahead and...
So here it is. It's a KitKat Japan flavor taste test.
We're going to start with the bag first.
Okay.
Because it's the only bag we got. And it is the Sakura and roasted soybean powder KitKats.
Sakura is cherry blossom.
And roasted soybeans, if you have ever had warabi mochi, that's what that powder is that's on it.
Oh, that was part of the Tatooine mochi.
Here, let's just split one because there's obviously two.
Cute individual package with cherry blossoms on it. And what color do you think they are?
Pink.
They are pink.
Because it's cherry blossoms.
All right. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Well, you know what it tastes like?
Warabi mochi?
No. It tastes like a strawberry Nilla wafer.
I can see that.
Yeah. I know exactly what it tastes like.
The roasted soybean powder almost tastes like peanuts. I like that. Right. So wait, on a scale of 1 to 5 bats, I give it a 4. I thought they were really good.
We'll give it a 3. Okay. 3.5. 3.5.
Okay, fine. Next, we'll start with our boxes. So we'll go with the Apple KitKats. It is Shinshu Apple. I probably butchered that. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, look at that. It's like a fancy box. Also individually wrapped. And
I like that they're also like kind of like 3/4 size. They're not like full size, but they're actually not like tiny. This are small, but all right. I can smell the apple as I bring it up.
Yeah. Like when you inhale, you get the apple flavor right away.
That is weird.
Oh, it's like dark chocolate instead of milk chocolate on the outside. I think that's good. Was it better than the Sakura roasted soybean powder?
No.
No.
I
give it a 3.
Cherry blossom better, so I'll give this a 3.
Yeah. I'm not big on dark chocolate. I'm not a dark chocolate person. I like milk chocolate. So that's why I think it loses points with me. Oh gosh, what do we have? Well, we will go with the purple sweet potato.
See? That's just weird. That's just weird.
It's not that weird.
And what color do you think these are going to be?
Green. Purple.
No, I think they'll be brown chocolate.
Brown?
Yeah.
Oh,
they're purple. Light purple. Okay.
I can't even...
I don't
taste this.
I don't taste anything.
Yeah. I don't know if it's because we ate the apple before.
Yeah, do we need like a palate cleanser? There's nothing special about that. That's a 2.
I agree with you on that.
Yeah, nothing special. That's a dud.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, ooh. So the next thing we have is the Azuki sandwich flavor. Azuki are these red beans. You can find them in like mochi. And they're in...
And fish. Waffle fish.
The waffle fish. Yeah. The taiyaki or... I'm butchering that. They're used a lot in Japanese sweets. And this one looks like it is also probably covered in dark chocolate.
All right. So red bean paste. I can taste it.
Totally.
Yep.
Gets the red bean.
But on flavor, 2.5.
Yeah, again with that dark chocolate.
Yeah.
If it were milk, it's a little bitter because the chocolate. Chocolate, oh my god. Yeah. I feel like if that were milk chocolate, it would work a little better. But what do I know? Okay. I'm still trying. Next up, we have the Itohkyuemon Uji Hojicha. Say that 5 times fast. It is basically going to be like a green tea, I think.
I was going to say, after the last one, the red bean paste, I could totally taste a green tea Kit Kat.
So they do have green tea Kit Kats. I did not buy them in Japan because I've had them before. You can usually find them in like import, like
World Market.
Yeah, that kind of place. So I didn't get them because those are like basic. Anyway, so we got these instead. Grr. Gonna get muscles out. Oh, that's a weird color.
It's kind of like
baby
a
poop.
It's kind of like an army green.
I don't know.
It's very baby poop like.
Yeah, I don't know about eating this, but there we go.
Oh yeah. No.
No?
No.
We don't like it?
No. That's one. That's a 1. No.
I disagree.
That's like.
I give that a 3.
You're crazy. What kind of tea is that? Like, is it a matcha?
No, it's like a barley. I think this is one of this and the apple, I think, are special regional. Maybe because I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I like this. Kind of like one of the barley, the roasted green teas.
On Duolingo, I just learned that is a yama.
Good job, Duolingo. How did that help you in
I don't know.
Japan?
It didn't, because I just learned it yesterday and I'm back.
Anyway, and speaking of mountain.
I think this is an awesome box.
And these are Mount Fuji Kit Kats.
So they taste like Mount Fuji?
I guess. I don't. We'll see what Mount Fuji tastes like. Oh no, it says blueberry cheesecake flavor.
Ooh, because that's what I think of when I think of Mount Fuji.
So what color do you think these are going to be?
White.
White?
Yeah, like white chocolate. Ooh, they're multicolored.
Look how cool those are.
That is cool.
Blue and white.
White tops, like a snow-covered mountain. All right. Oh,
I didn't even wait for you. I just went right in.
This is a 5.
5 right off the bat?
Right off the bat. Yeah. That's flavor. That's good.
Really good.
Yeah, really good.
You can totally taste the blueberry.
I love Mount Fuji.
I agree. I agree. That's a 5.
Yeah.
That was super good. Okay. So I saved what I think is going to be the best for last. Although that was pretty close, so I don't know. But in Japan, especially in Tokyo, they have this thing called Tokyo Banana.
You see them a lot at the train stations.
And what they're these little cake things that are filled with banana custard, and they look like bananas.
Yeah, think of like kind of Twinkie-like, but a lot softer and moister than a Twinkie. Sorry if I offended.
They were delicious, though. And when I saw these at the airport, I couldn't pass them up. I was like, I need to have the Tokyo Banana Kit Kat collaboration.
All right, put that banana in my mouth.
Hey, this is a family channel. I couldn't, so far I can't open it. Okay, well, we're just going to cheat and just sneak one from the side here.
What color do you think those are?
I mean, yellow.
Brown. It's on the box.
Oh! Denied. They should be yellow. Should be in an easier...
Oh, and it's dark chocolate.
I forgot. The package has a little banana on it. Just like Tokyo Banana. Oh, look.
Ooh, and it's also...
The Kit Kat has a little banana on it. It's like a banana with a bow tie. which is like the Tokyo banana symbol.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this one's hard to break.
Yeah, because it's got all of that togetherness.
I thought it was going to be the best.
It's no Mount Fuji.
It's no Mount Fuji. It's like a 4. It's good.
I'll give it a 3.
You are tough, man.
Yeah. But it's pretty amazing that we can go the spectrum. I had a 1, I had a 5. So they're not all just like they taste the same. They actually have flavors. Pretty interesting. Yeah.
And honorable mention, obviously I didn't wait to taste test this. These are cantaloupe Pockies. Pocky. Last time I was in Japan, I had cantaloupe KitKats, and they were so good, which sounds really weird. But when I saw the Pocky, I had to get these. They're not as good as the KitKats were. And then this bag has almost been demolished, but these are high chews. These are like, Starburst kind of things?
Yeah.
Just like little chewy, taffy things. I really like them. Walter's mad about them.
Yeah.
But anyway, those are our snacks from Japan. Oh, wait. One more thing. I got this weird Sakura strawberry latte Starbucks thing.
Was that instant? Instant coffee packets?
Yeah.
Oh. We're going on a trip. We should bring it with.
That's a good idea. Let's do that.
Yeah.
We're always going on trips, so.
That is true.
Yeah.
If you would like to see one of our next adventures, be sure you subscribe, like, and get those notifications so you'll follow us on our next We Got This adventure. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.